support the statement by Senator Tabitha Mutinda on the Protection Trust Fund, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, for your information, I think most Kenyans do not even actually know whether this fund exists. After inaction, not so much was done to create awareness among members of the public who are actually victims of crimes perpetuated day in, day out, and especially for the children, because if we have no children, Mr. Speaker, we have no generation. So I think as part of our oversight role as a Senate, we need to participate clearly in ensuring we also raise awareness so that this fund can be adequately be contributed to, so that most of the victims of crime out there can be beneficiaries. Because since 2014, when we had this act in place, very little has been done to ensure that this fund is fully operational to assist the most needy elements we have in society. So, Mr. Speaker, the committee that is going to look into that matter should go ahead and maybe out of their own volition conduct and invite members to a public participation exercise whereby this matter is going to be fully owned by the members, and for us to communicate to members of the public that we have this in place. We have not given a blind eye to victims who suffer from several crimes committed, and that as members of parliament, we want to enact laws which can be made use of, not gather dust in the shelves, Mr. Speaker. Thank you.
Senator Tabitha Mutinda.